The Unseen Hero, a father's journey of sacrifice and love. In a small village nestled between rolling hills and a flowing river, there lived a humble farmer named Arjun. A widower, Arjun was the proud father of two children, Meera and Karan. Though life had not been kind to him, he wore a serene smile every day, a silent assurance to his children that all would be well. Arjun's life was far from easy. His farm, which was his only source of income, depended entirely on unpredictable monsoons. Yet, every morning, before the sun painted the sky in hues of orange, he would rise, prepare breakfast, and wake his children with the gentleness of a spring breeze. The dream, Arjun had a dream, a vision that kept him awake on nights when worries weighed heavily on his chest. He wanted his children to escape the cycle of poverty that had trapped him and his forefathers. Education, he believed, was the golden key that would unlock doors to a brighter future for them. But sending Meera and Karan to school was a Herculean task. The fees were high, and the costs of books, uniforms, and other essentials seemed insurmountable. Yet, Arjun never let his children feel the weight of his struggles. Instead, he made every sacrifice imaginable to ensure they had what they needed. The sacrifices: Arjun stopped drinking tea, a small luxury he once enjoyed. He mended his torn clothes instead of buying new ones. On days when the farm yielded little, he would eat just a slice of bread and save the rest for his children. He worked late into the night, tending to the crops by the light of a lantern, while his hands, calloused and sore, told tales of unyielding determination. His sacrifices extended beyond material comforts. Arjun turned down invitations to village celebrations, weddings, and festivals to save every penny. When asked why he chose such a lonely path, he would simply smile and say, "My celebration will be the day my children succeed." The challenge: one year, a devastating drought hit the village. The river dried up, and the fields turned to dust. Arjun's crops failed, leaving him with no income. Villagers offered him sympathy, but sympathy couldn't pay school fees or buy food. Undeterred, Arjun decided to take up additional work in a nearby town. Every morning, he would walk 10 kilometers to the town to work as a construction laborer. There, he hauled heavy bricks under the scorching sun, earning meager wages. In the evenings, he would return to the village and tend to his farm, hoping the rains would eventually bless his land. Meera and Karan noticed their father's exhaustion and pleaded with him to let them quit school and help him. But Arjun's resolve was unshakable. "Your job is to study," he told them firmly. "Let me worry about the rest." The turning point. One fateful day, as Arjun was working on the construction site, a wealthy businessman named Mr. Sharma happened to pass by. He noticed Arjun's dedication and inquired about his story. Upon learning about Arjun's sacrifices for his children's education, Mr. Sharma was deeply moved. He offered to sponsor Meera and Karan's schooling, ensuring they could continue their studies without interruption. Arjun, overwhelmed with gratitude, initially hesitated. Accepting help was against his self-reliant nature. But Mr. Sharma reassured him, saying, "Your sacrifices are a testament to your love as a father. Let me share this burden so your children can soar." The triumph with the financial burden eased, Meera and Karan excelled in their studies. Meera, inspired by her father's resilience, pursued medicine, dreaming of becoming a doctor who could serve the underprivileged. Karan, with his love for numbers, aspired to become an engineer. Years passed, and the children's hard work bore fruit. Meera graduated at the top of her class and joined a prestigious hospital, while Karan secured a scholarship to a renowned university. They returned to the village as symbols of hope, determined to uplift their community. On the day Meera and Karan achieved their dreams, the entire village gathered to celebrate. Arjun, standing amidst the cheering crowd, felt a sense of fulfillment he couldn't put into words. His children's success was not just their victory, it was the culmination of years of sacrifice, perseverance, and love. The legacy, Arjun's story spread far and wide, inspiring countless others to prioritize education and believe in the power of dreams. Meera and Karan, ever grateful for their father's sacrifices, dedicated their lives to helping others achieve their potential. They built schools and clinics in their village, ensuring no child would have to struggle as they once did. As Arjun watched his children change the world, he finally allowed himself to rest. His dream had come true, not just for his family, but for an entire generation. The lesson. Arjun's journey is a testament to the unwavering strength of a father's love. It reminds us that true heroes are often unseen, working silently in the background, driven by selfless dreams for their loved ones. His life teaches us that even in the face of adversity, resilience and determination can pave the way for miracles. And above all, Arjun's story shows us that the greatest legacy one can leave is the success and happiness of those they hold dear.